What happens when the world's leading optics company teams up with a group of students from the University of Vermont's Sustainable Innovation MBA program?
A world of good.
Essilor's Inclusive Business Division 2.5 New Vision Generation, or 2.5 NVG, has been creating access to affordable eye care, generating employment, and alleviating poverty by building a task force of skilled primary vision care providers and micro-entrepreneurs in underserved areas for 5 years.
For Essilor, their inclusive business is more than just a charitable activity or CSR stunt. It goes hand in hand with the company's expansion into developing markets in Africa, Asia, and Latin America, helping to create the next generation of Essilor customers through affordable and accessible vision care, and to develop sustainable long-term solutions in the fight against uncorrected poor vision.
While Essilor has seen early success through their inclusive business models, they still have a long way to reach their ambitious goal to eradicate poor vision by 2050. Enter Randall, Madeline, and Caitlin, 3 MBA students from UVM.
After a pretty intense 9 months of coursework, including classes like community development, business strategy, and innovation at the base of the pyramid, it was time for us to leave the Grossman School of Business and Kelkin 110 and get out there and flex our muscles. We started by brainstorming and developing a plan for our summer, reading through materials from Essilor, and many calls, sometimes pretty late at night, with our Practicum host in Singapore.
The beginning of our summer also included meetings with professors to pitch our ideas and receive feedback. We worked hard to engage many stakeholders and ask as many questions as possible.
Before we knew it, we were boarding a plane to Côte d'Ivoire to see one of Essilor's business models firsthand. And after a 10-hour flight, we made it. We arrived in the largest local city, Abidjan, and the next day departed on a 5-hour drive to Bouak. In Bouak, we were able to witness a vision screening event conducted by a primary vision care provider in his village and met the local NGO partner team supporting Essilor.
Back in Abidjan, we toured the West African Essilor office and met with CARE International staff, one of Essilor's partners in Côte d'Ivoire. Our time in Côte d'Ivoire included a lot of working breakfasts, lunch, and dinners, as well as using a variety of conference rooms throughout the country. And while there was a lot to learn and much work to do, we did have a little time for fun as well.
With new friends and a ton of new information, we packed up and arrived back home to get to work. Over the course of our project, we have worked with Essilor on 3 levels of their inclusive business: operations, monitoring, and evaluation, as well as their long-term strategy.
We helped complete small projects to boost the Côte d'Ivoire operations, like refining the data management system, creating new marketing material for outreach, and a vision ambassador mapping project.
We developed and validated questionnaires to study the socioeconomic impact of the program on rural communities.
We completed research on various emerging markets to inform their global expansion strategy.
These experiences have provided us with the insight of what it's like to operate and enter a BOP market. Drawing from classwork, we've been able to provide Essilor with a number of strategic recommendations that will help them drive their vision forward. We'd like to thank UVM and Essilor for this wonderful opportunity.